This model kit review is of the Douglas A-4 Skyhawk, and this was a carrier plane used by the US Navy. It's a 1/48 scale model by Fujimi, and let's see if you see any other pictures on here. Got some details about the plane, but no other pictures there. Let's have a look inside. Here we have our wings. Good level of surface detail. Got some recessed lines, but most of them are raised. All the rivet lines at least are raised. Here is our wing, lower wing with flaps. Looks like these are our wheel wells, so almost no detail. Actually, there's no detail there. Here we have the left side of the fuselage, also a raised rivet line detail, a few recessed panel lines. And same with the other side. No detail inside the cockpit. We have an empty sprue. And let's have a look at the other screws here. Okay, well, here we have our cockpit with some little details here. Molding quality is okay. There's some flashing here and there. We've got our wheels, which are solid. A whole bunch of bombs. We've got pylons, landing gear parts. There's another landing gear part there. Here we have the fuel tanks, our stabilizer, air intake, which is coming off, and ejection seat. And looks like probably rocket parts here. Here's our nose wheel well. Sorry, nose gear. Here we have a pilot with a large hole in him. And we have a cockpit canopy. And old sprue. Let's have a look at our decals here. So we've got a number of options here, but some details. Looks like these all need to be cut up before you put them in the into the water. And these are the different options here. Here are our instructions. We've got a parts listing here, dimensions. Start off with the cockpit. And that's then put into the fuselage with the air intakes going on, nose wheel well, and stabilizers with the engine. Then the guns, refuel pod, wings, hook, and so on all go on there. Then the main gear goes on, and the weapon systems, and then the painting and decal guide. So, all in all, some decals are reasonable, wheel wells are not great.